In this video, we are going to learn how to use JSP expression. So in JSP, there is actually different types of skipping element. There are actually JSP expression, JSP skiplet, and decoration. Now we will do is we actually have a diff drive on each one of these topics in different video, right? So, but I want to give you just an overview real quick. So, and JSP expression is basically a small Java expression that you can include in the pages of the syntax single bracket percentage with the equal symbol. And we will see a lot of that in this video. There are also what we call a JSP skiplet. So a JSP skiplet is simple and angle bracket present, and then you add some Java code. You can add one to many lines of Java code, and we will see that in the following video. And then finally, there are JSP decoration here. So this is angle bracket present with the exclamation point. So this is an exclamation point with some exclamation point here. So it has missing the exclamation point. So here you can define a Java variable or method again and again. We will do a deep dive on that. So next thing here is talking about the Java expression, right? So Java expression here. So the result of that is include the HTML pages, right? And then that will return to the browser. So actually is compute and expression, and then result is included in HTML return to browser. Okay. So go back to the equip. So here is an example. We saw this from our previous video before. So here, I highlight this code. Actually, this is yeah, in your JSP file. You can say the times on the server is, and then you can add an expression, right? So again, remember the angle bracket percent with and equal symbol that we can place a Java object here. So once this progress by the server, then the generated HTML is simply the two string version, right? So let me see. So the result. Oh, what's the problem? Oh, okay, that's fine. So so after you run the you can after the Java objects progress by the server, then uh, then the generated HTML is simply the two string version right here of that given data object. So but let's take a look some more example of using the JSP. So mm, which one? Maybe talking about this one. So in this example, going to show you how we can convert the string here. So here I have a new string, hello world. So it's gonna basically again I can say that to uppercase. So I'm going to basically convert this string to all capital letter. So and and the result of that we will include right and here so so that's for license string and object. You can also make use of the mathematical expression here, right? For example, after run this, okay, this is the result. So also you can also mix of the mathematical expression and in this code, and then I can multiple the voice 20. I can multiple the voice here 25 times or the equal to some here. Yes, I can do some mathematics, and then um, you can also have some um, Boolean expression. So here I could say uh, 75 less than, for example, 75 less than 69. And it will give me a value of true or false. And that's an example of using JSP expression. So we saw object mathematical expression and also the Boolean expression. Okay, and then again, we can let me see here. And we in the following config we will deep dive on another topics such as JSP scriptlet and JSP decoration. So I will see you later. Bye bye.